Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag and increase the FPS on Roblox. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to any server on Roblox and go to the top corner, click on Roblox logo and then go to settings right here, scroll down and you will find here many options. Go to graphics mode and make it manual like this and make the graphics quality lower as like this. Now this is the first step. The second step is that make sure your battery is on at least on 50% because if your battery is low, your Roblox FPS is gonna be low. And yeah, the last thing is simple. Just go to your home screen on your phone and make sure to turn off any app that is working on your phone like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.